Did you know the axolotl is not just an adorable creature, but also a master of regeneration? This unique salamander can regrow entire limbs. Then there's the blowfish, often dubbed the ugliest animal in the world. Its gelatinous body looks like a sad, droopy mess when pulled from its deep-sea home. And let's not forget the terrifying-looking yet harmless frilled shark, which resembles a prehistoric monster with its long, slender body and rows of sharp teeth. These fascinating creatures remind us that beauty and fear can come in the most unexpected forms.